essential to have a balanced and holistic education environment, then our school is for you.
The SIBS Early Years and Primary Program provides children with academic, social, and emotionally development that they need at an early age and to continue a robust learning journey.
At SIBS, we believe that all children learn differently, but most importantly, children learn by doing. Teachers and staff plan for student-centered learning and hands-on activities catering to our students' needs and interests.
We believe all children are unique and contribute to their own success in an enriching and inclusive school environment. These elements lay the foundation for success not only at SIBS but as lifelong learners.
Students with a safe learning environment where they can learn and thrive is at the heart of our school.
SIBS's academic and recreational facilities support development and provide opportunities for all students to learn and collaborate.
Nurturing an environment where our students are comfortable to learn, explore, and share their ideas. Students are academically, socially, and emotionally nurtured through our teaching practice, student-to-student interactions, and school events.
Our school is a thriving bilingual environment providing all the learners with the opportunity to study first language and additional languages. Our school is committed providing students with strong foundations in 21st century skills from which they can succeed throughout their lives.
Preparing our students for
Today and tomorrow.